Everybody loves tacos, and the base of every taco is the tortilla. If you don't have a good tortilla, then you're f***ed. I'm Tigre, and today we're making corn tortillas from scratch. I'm starting with high quality Mexican heirloom corn I got from Hacienda.com. This corn I'm using is from Oaxaca, Mexico. It's an heirloom white olatillo corn. We are going to be going over the process of nixtamalization, start to finish. Nixtamalization is the ancient Mesoamerican process of steeping hard corn kernels with an alkaline ingredient such as slaked lime or wood ash. This softens the corn kernel and slightly breaks it down. At this stage it's known as nixtamal. And can be eaten in whole corn kernel form such as hominy. I'm using 1 pound of corn to 8 grams or 1 tablespoon of this culinary lime. Be careful and do not breathe this stuff in. You will die. It's very dangerous. I'm gonna bring 16 cups of water to a boil in a large stock pot. It's gonna be a while before my water gets to a boil, so when life gives you lemons, you dance, motherfucker. Torque it like Miley. Okay, it's been a few minutes. We're gonna take our culinary lime and add it to our boiling water. Then take your corn and add it to the pot. We're gonna boil this concoction for about half an hour. Don't forget to stir. We are looking for our corn to be like a medium rare, translucent outside and opaque center, kind of like al dente. Once your corn has reached this stage and the bran is starting to come off, you're going to transfer to a different container and bring to room temperature. Man, oh man, I wish you could smell this. If you could imagine a big bowl of warm, rich, corny, slightly acidic, earthy soup, then you can imagine what this smells like. Almost. It's just so good I don't think you really know. Now we're going to cover this and let this sit overnight or for around 7 hours. Do not refrigerate. The corn has sat overnight and I think it just looks so pretty. Look at that beautiful corn. I'm gonna take this now and go drain it. Next step is to gently rinse the corn. You want to be gentle as to not rinse all the bran off the kernels, as that's gonna contribute to the gelatinous stretch of the tortillas. But we need to rinse 2 to 3 times to get rid of the bitter lime solution. If you're a real pro right now, you're probably thinking, what's this dip gonna do with the blender? He's not gonna blend the corn up, is he? That's inaccurate, and well, it is. But hey, it's all I got. I'd love to have my own hand mill or molinito or metate one day. But for now, this will do. I'm gonna add a little water as I grind so it's not dry and it blends more easily. Now we have our ground corn, or masa. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt and mix it up. At this point, since I ground this masa in the blender and I had to add excess water, it has a little bit too much moisture and is too sticky. To make up for the fact, we are going to add a little bit of masa harina. Make sure you scrape the sides down and get a good mix. Testing it out, making sure you can roll it in a ball in your hand and feel that it's moist, but not wet, tacky but not dry, if that makes sense. It's okay to add more water or masa harina. I'm weighing my tortillas out to around 50 grams each. I'm placing my rolled ball of masa in between two pieces of grocery store bags. For some reason, freezer bags stick for me. Press the masa down with firm pressure without going all the way through ruining the tortilla. Place your tortilla on a heated comal. I'm using a standard cast iron pan. Your tortilla is ready to flip when the edges start to curl up slightly.
Use your hands to flip your tortillas. It's the only way.
The tortillas appear to be rough, which they kind of are. They need to sit in a tortilla holder for a few minutes to steam, then that gives them their gelatinous stretch and delicious flexibility. Go forth with your newfound tortilla knowledge and woo your friends. Then you can make delicious tacos like these. I'm making birria queso tacos in my next video. So if you thought this video was helpful in any way, give it a like. If you want to see more content like this in the future, then subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.
Cada vez que pienso en ti, me siente como el cielo. No puedo dejar de pensarte.
Who doesn't love talk?
Cada vez que pienso en ti, me siente como el cielo. No puedo dejar de pensarte.
Nixtamalization. Nixtamalization is the ancient. Nixtamalization is the ancient Mesoamerican. Nixtamalization is a Nixtamalization. Nixtamalization, Nixtamalization, Nixtamalization.
Que pienso en ti, me siento